Okay guys, so today we won't actually be outside cooking today. We've got a bigger issue that we need to handle. Taco Bell is saying that they are getting away or doing away with the taco pizza. Now that's an atrocity. And well, let's just face it, we can't let them get away with this. It's 2020 and we've taken enough crap this year. This week we're going to be cooking a taco Bell style pizza with a little twist. Because I mean, this is a barbecue channel and all, so we're going to be taking it inside and getting into it. I cannot wait to taste this. We're going to start off with taking some of this ground beef 93% and start by getting it in our pan. It's already nice and hot, and getting it cooked down. Now that we've got our ground beef all cooked down, we're going to throw in some taco seasoning. You can use whatever you like. I buy this stuff in bulk at like Walmart or Sam's, and it tastes pretty good to me. So I'm going to add about 5 or 6 tablespoons of this taco seasoning, and then we're going to mix it in with about a third of a cup of water and let it simmer down to get all of that seasoning nice and in all that ground beef. Once all the ground beef is in and ready to go, we've got some actual Taco Bell refried beans. I've got them dumped out in a bowl. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in there with this taco meat. I like to have that mixed together. There is more meat than there is beans, but when you mix it together, it makes it a lot easier, as you'll see later as we put this thing together. Lower that heat down to a simmer and let these flavors really merge and get to know each other. Now for the tortillas or the pizza crust, you want to make sure you pop a couple of holes in these things with your fork just so it doesn't bubble up like crazy, because what we're going to do is stick them in a pan full of hot oil. Not necessarily a deep fry, but we want to get them nice and crispy and get some air in there. Now that these are all done, you're ready to get your sauce. And of course, you can't get sauce unless it's Taco Bell sauce. And get ready to start building your pizza. So we start, of course, with our pizza crust. Throw our mixture of meat and beans on top and get that nice and spread around. Now I like to add a little something extra here, and this is the Tostitos queso in a jar. It helps these things stick together a little bit better. Now put your top layer on it and get ready for your final touches. In this case, it's going to be just a little bit of that Taco Bell sauce. Get a couple of spoonfuls of it, just like a good old-fashioned pizza. Spread it around, get it all covered real nice like. Now it's time for the cheese. Taco Bell, they use the 3 cheese. I go with 4. I'm bougie like that. We're going to spread it around the top there, get it nice and covered. You want to make sure you have that good queso coverage. But wait, there's more. Throw a little bit of diced tomatoes on there, and then we're ready for our final touch. We're going to be hitting it with a little bit of this Texas barbecue chapter. Awesome barbecue flavoring.
and throwing it down. Thanks to Big Rome for that gift in the mail. Now we want to get these bad boys underneath a low broiler. We got them on a pan where it can breathe all the way around it. Throw it in there low, on broil for just a few minutes. After a few minutes, you get ready to pull them bad boys out, and a pull out never looks so good. Can't wait to try these bad boys. Once you've pulled out, it's time for the cream.
So we finished up our Save the Pizza cook, and I threw a little bit of Texas barbecue chapter seasoning on top there. That looks awesome. And I'm gonna take a bite because I cannot wait to taste this. Dynamite. Save the Pizza, hashtag Save the Pizza. Make sure you take a look. You look around on the Facebooks, on the Instagrams, on the interwebs, and on the YouTubes. You take a look at hashtag Save the Pizza. Taco Bell. We know we're all about saving the environment. You're about saving $1. And if you're about saving the environment, your food wouldn't give us so much gas. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment down below. Hit that bell if you haven't already. We'll see you on down the road. Drink more water.